Hello, this is Ryan Hughes from the Pix4D training team. In this video, we will discuss how to delineate a stockpile and calculate volume measurements using the Pix4Dsurvey volume measurement tools. The volume measurement tool will give you information about a stockpile, including the 3D area, cut and fill volumes, total volume, and more. We will start by creating a new project or opening an existing one that contains a feature that you would like to calculate the volume of, for example, a stockpile. Center the interface by looking straight down on the feature or stockpile you want to calculate. When outlining a feature of interest, a top-down view will provide an easier way to verify that you have included all of the stockpile or feature of interest. To ensure that you are looking straight down on the project, tap 7 on your keyboard, which will return you to the default top view. To begin delineating the stockpile, move your cursor to the toolbar at the top of the interface and select the drop-down menu next to Volume. From the drop-down menu, select the tool called Volume. Now you can begin outlining the base of your feature of interest, making sure to be as close to the base of the feature as possible so as not to include other external elements or material in the final volume calculation. After activating the volume tool, you will see a circle that follows your cursor. Outline the feature of interest by left-clicking to add vertices. To finish outlining the feature, right-click to place the last vertex. Once the delineation has been completed, a new volume layer will be created in the content menu under the Layers tab. You can click Compute when the volume layer is selected in the point cloud and the Layers tab is open. This computation will provide various volume calculations of your feature of interest you delineated. To deselect the volume, tap Escape twice on your keyboard. Another tool in the volume measurement drop-down menu is the Stockpile Detection tool. This tool allows you to automatically detect stockpiles with one or more clicks instead of manually delineating the base of a stockpile. To select the Stockpile Detection tool, open the drop-down menu next to the Volume tool, then click on Stockpile Detection. Once you have selected the Stockpile Detection tool, simply left-click anywhere on a stockpile in your point cloud and verify that the tool is correctly defining your stockpile. If the tool does not cover the entire stockpile on your first click, simply hold down the Shift key and left-click another part of the stockpile. You can continue holding down the Shift key and left-clicking on the stockpile until you feel that the tool has accurately collected the entire base of your stockpile. Depending on the stockpile size, you may need to modify the radius parameter. Modifying the minimum slope parameter changes the tool's sensitivity to the stockpile slope. Changing these parameters can improve the tool's accuracy in identifying the feature or stockpile. Once the Stockpile Detection tool has identified the entire stockpile, right-click to end the editing process. As we saw before, we will see a new volume created in the content menu. To compute the volume calculations for this layer, click the stockpile annotation and click Compute. The cut volume is the amount of material that needs to be removed from the stockpile to arrive at the base. The fill volume is the amount of material necessary to fill a hole to arrive at the same level as the surrounding terrain. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and we will see you in the next video.